Hello, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Yesterday, we completed the poem Our Strange Lingo. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is, chapter 4, page number 34 in Serengeti. In this extract, adapted from Forever Free, Joy Adamson describes Serengeti, a wild and beautiful national park in Africa, which is famous for its lions. During her stay there, Adamson observed and wrote about a great variety of wildlife. It was after tea time that we reached Seronera. We began to pitch camp when sudden heavy rain soaked everything. We were bogged down. During the night, several hyenas walked around and a lion came so close to my tent that I could hear him breathe. Luckily, the boys helping me were sleeping in the lorry, so I did not have to worry about their safety. The next day, I went to make arrangements for my stay and found that I had to hand in our firearms as it was against the rules for visitors to keep them. When I asked the officer what I should do if lions visited me during the night, he replied with a broad smile, "Shoo them off." And certainly by the time I left Serengeti, I became quite an expert at the shooing off technique. Early the next morning, I went with a local driver to look for the 3 lion cubs I was searching for. It was a 25-mile drive over slippery roads to the valley. We found the cubs lying under a large tree. I called to them, but they did not move. When I got out of the car, they ran away. So in Serengeti is a beautiful national park in Africa, and Joy Adamson, she went to that park and she wrote about great variety of wildlife from there. So it was her time during when she reached Seronera. It was a tea time, and they began to pitch their camp. But suddenly there was heavy rain, and everything was soaked in the water, and they were stuck in the wet and swampy mud. During the night, they saw several hyenas who were walking around, and a lion also came close to her tent, and she could hear the breathing of the lion very properly. But luckily, the boys helped her who in pitching her tent were sleeping in the lorry, so she did not have to worry much about her safety. The next day, she went to make arrangements for her stay and found that she had to give to someone something. She had to give something to someone who has an important official position in firearms, as it was against the rules for visitors to keep them. That means she has to. I read the meaning in between of handing. So when she was trying to make her arrangements, she has to give her firearm, the gun, which she kept with her for her safety, because it was against the rules of their national park for visitors to keep guns with them. So when she asked the officer that what should I do if the lions come during when I'm staying at the tent at night, and the officer replied with a broad smile that just shoo it off. Say shoo, and they will go. And then certainly by the time she left Serengeti, she became quite expert in shooing off the lions. This technique, she is famous with it. So early next morning, she went with a local driver to look for the 3 lion cubs for which she was searching. She was searching the 3 lion cubs. She had to go around 25 miles. The road was also very slippery, as it was a road towards the valley. Finally, she found the 3 cubs were lying under a large tree. She called them, but they did not move. The moment she got down from the car, they all ran away. So today I am stopping in here. Tomorrow I am going to start with the next 2 pages. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it in the evening session. Thank you and have a wonderful day.